Well, hey guys. Well, I am Mandy, and my best friend's Mace. And then she has this Frankenstein 1600 doll. She has black and white hair with sparkles in it. I want mine's like that. And then, excuse me. And then she has this plaid dress, like bubble dress, like really pops up. And then she has this plaid with red, black, and blue on it with stitches. And then she had little rod earrings, so cute. And she has these little shoes that have black and blue with little stitches in the middle, like if you have black and blue stitches, and it's really cute. And then I have another doll. Well, I have another doll. I have a lot of dolls. My friend, she has 20. Like, wait, one second. May I ask, how many dolls do you have? You have 24 dolls? I'm so jealous. She has 24 dolls. I'm so jealous. Gosh. Ugh. Say hey, Maris. Say hey. Oh, you're so low. Wait, do it one more time. Oh, okay. Well, for instance, the girl I'm talking to, Maris, she is, I am Monster High. Is it 11 or 10? I am Monster High. I am Monster High 11. Oh my gosh. And we've been friends how many years? We've been friends how many years? 6 years? We have been friends 6 years, going on 7 years. So BFS rock. Okay. And then I have Clawdeen. She's really cute. She has like this tuxedo with the little half moon for a belt, and then these leopard prints, and she has these claws. It's just amazing. And then Maris, what doll do you have for 1600? She has Dracula, the only doll I'm looking for. And well, I have to surprise y'all guys. My mom said she is gonna get me Claude and Dracula 2-pack and Abby Abominable original. Isn't that great? Well, bye. Say bye, Maris.